In today's video, I'm going to show you what plumbing under a concrete slab looks like. So if you've been following my channel, you know I've been making a gym area. It's going to be a concrete slab that's going to be inside my house. I'm going to finish with rubber flooring, but if you look here, this is the plumbing for the bathroom that's going in the concrete slab. Let me turn the camera around here to show you exactly how this works. And if you're new to this channel is all about building your own house and saving a ton of money. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and hit the bell so you get a notification every time I release a new video. What you need to know, essentially, it's the same as when it's not in a slab, except it's not being hung under the floor on the floor joists. It's simply sitting like in the dirt or gravel. So if you look here, this is all plumbing for a 5'8" bathroom. Right here is going to be the toilet. It's 12.5 inches from this board. This board's coming out of here. It's just a level piece of wood that's going from each corner, from here to here. That's going to be just used as a reference for when you're plumbing your bathrooms in under a slab. So I know my shower is going to be sitting here. It's going to be a tub shower combo. So I got my trap going to be here, and I got to put sand here and frame a little box. So when I pour concrete, I can dig that out so it's maneuverable. And then over here, like I said, that's the toilet. It's 12.5 inches away. So that's going to be going under the slab. It's going to come out here into the inside of the house, and this is going to be the start of my plumbing. It's going to run this way and then come out the back. And it's going to go down to that blue pipe is ultimately where the plumbing drain is going. So if you look here, it's 3-inch pipe. That's standard inside of a house nowadays, PVC. And then you got your flange there. And then right here, this is going to be the vent for the bathroom, and it's actually going to be a wet vent. And what that means is I'm going to tee this over and go to the sink that's going here. And so water's going to drain down, and yet it's going to let air come down. So when you flush toilets and everything, it has plenty of vent. This is just an 1.5-inch pipe. This is an 1.5-inch pipe. Now, if you're doing a shower, some of those are 2-inch pipes. So that's pretty much all there is to it. I'm going to be doing videos on how to plumb in the future, but let me give you a little rundown of what else I got to do here before he pours the slab. Is I got this rebarb that's going to be laying in here long ways. A couple pieces going across it to strengthen up this area so it doesn't crack as easily. Hopefully it doesn't at all, because I want to tile it. I want to make sure I can get it as strong as possible. And you can see here, the top of these boards are my concrete form boards. And it's going to give me about 4-inch slab on top of the block, and inside on average it's probably about 6 inches, but then it scoops off here or dips off here at the edge, because I want the slab to come down and rest on that block wall. If you look real close, there's a block wall underneath of it. I want it to rest on that lip. It just gives that slab a little more strength. And just so you can see here, I put some kickers, so it keeps that form board from kicking out once the concrete's being poured on it. So that's about it. Here, I just wanted to show you before he pours it. He's going to pour it here this week sometime. So all I did was Tapcon 2x10 boards to the side of the block as my form boards. And I just started out in one corner on each side of the block and just leveled it out, and then measured up from the block just to double check it. Something else I wanted to tell you is this plumbing needs inspected before you pour the slab. So you want to go ahead and cap everything off. That's why you see caps on where the shower is going, and the toilets already have that built-in cap. You just knock that center out for when you go to actually use it. Then cap up all the ends except for the highest point, and then fill it up with water. That's called water test. And that just lets the inspector know there's no leaks. And used to be you pressure tested all this, but they prefer to do just this water test now. But I want to tell you that in case you're planning on doing that yourself. And that's all there was to that. And I want to show you a little progress from yesterday. All right, this is the garage I was working on yesterday. If you watched the video how to build a garage, it was just a little overview of when I was building this, but got the rest sheeted today. My helper wasn't with me today, so I went ahead and got this all sheeted, got everything cut out. So got the garage doors framed up, got my side door framed up here too, and got the house wrap on. But this this little strip I'm not going to put on yet because it might be a little while before I actually put these walls up, and I don't want the edges swelling up. Let me show you the inside here real quick as well. This is what it looked like inside for the framing. So not too bad. Everything's 16 on center. Sorry it's a little loud because it's breezy up here today. So yeah, so that's just a little follow-up on yesterday's project. All right guys, I just wanted to make a quick video and show you the progress from yesterday, and show you that plumbing in the slab before it's poured, because if you don't see it now, you're never going to see it again. But I hope you liked this video. Hope you found it interesting. Again, be sure to subscribe. I'm almost to 1,000 subscribers, so it's pretty exciting for me. I've been working on the channel for about a year, so yeah, any support is welcome. All right guys, thanks for watching. See you next video. Peace.